Subscribe and press the bell icon to enjoy more exciting and enlightening videos from Dheya. Hello everyone, welcome to yet another riveting episode of Dheya Masterpieces. Today we are going to have a conversation with our career mentor, Mr. Vasant Bhatt. Hello sir, how are you doing today?
I'm doing good, Shreyas. How are you doing?
I'm also good sir, thank you for asking. Let us begin today's episode by knowing more about your career path and journey. So can you please walk us through that?
All right. So, my name is Vasant M. Bhatt. I'm a career mentor with here. My father had been in army, so I've always been traveling. So that's what made me interested in doing my masters in international business, where it would give me an opportunity to travel.
Okay.
Um, that was also the main reason why I chose the logistics field. So I have a 16 years experience, out of which 14 has been in logistics fields and sales. So I started my career with sales with an interest of knowing more people as well as understanding their needs. So it has been a journey from an individual um, to a manager, where managing a team also has become a very important aspect of my life.
Okay.
And today, everybody knows Dale Carnegie himself has said that today it's a human intervention uh, atmosphere, where
Correct.
means everybody is in need of something or the other.
Mhm.
So that has been my journey so far. And
Okay.
in the last 4.5 years, the last stint that I had was with Dale Carnegie, which has helped me understand a lot about the other's perspective and the need to grow. So that has been major take takeaway for me for all the 16 years of experience that I've had.
After such a long career path, what exactly inspired you to become a career mentor and join here?
A very relevant question, Shreyas, because if you see, my career of 16 years has been mostly in sales. So then the first question would be, then how come you have come into training and now into mentoring? So what I've understood in sales is the last biggest position that I've held in sales was the Western head for Mumbai with UPS Supply Chain Solutions. Now, the one
Okay.
aspect that I understood at that career of my career is that every single time I would I have an interest of being in the thick of things where people can learn from me, and I've seen that I've been able to understand people very well. Now, how does this help me become a career mentor? The most important aspect is everybody today wants to grow,
Right.
and every single person has a different perspective of growing.
True.
Somebody want to grow one step, somebody wants to go three steps, and today's generation wants to grow 10 steps at one time.
Correct.
Now that 10 steps requires a direction, because unless my footing is right, those 10 steps may or may not be towards the same direction. There are chances
Correct.
I may fall because of the wrong footing. And during my training career, what I've clearly understood is to understand from the perspective of the person who wants to make those 10 jumps.
Correct.
And at the end of the day, the satisfaction that you achieve by helping specific members to achieve their goals is something which is great. And it's a two-way learning, definitely, because
Yes.
what is growth for me might be one step, what is a growth for another person might be three steps, which makes me learn that I also need to grow parallelly.
Right.
So the answer to your question would be that it's a mutual learning and understanding to reach that goal that person wants to reach.
Okay.
And what is in it for him, based on what his strengths and weaknesses are, is the key. And that is what I specialize in, and that's what led me to choose the career with Dheya.
After becoming a career mentor and joining Dheya, what exactly changed or shifted in yourself as a person?
Okay, so for me, career mentoring initially was like, okay, so I have to advise people in choosing their career. Now, I have been in sales. What if the other person doesn't want to be in sales? What if the other person wants to choose maybe marketing?
Correct.
How am I qualified to do marketing?
Mhm.
And do I have what it takes to help the person choose the right path?
True.
Now, that's where the experiential learning with Dheya helped me, because Dheya has set everything, talk about database, talk about their experiences, talk about the market, talk about today's knowledge, talk about the experience with the mentoring currently with all those 3,000 plus mentors. All that has culminated to a learning and a knowledge base, which helps me. As I said previously, it's a mutual growth, which has
Correct.
helped me not to gain the knowledge, but also to understand that what kind of expertise do I need to pass on.
Mhm.
And the one learning and the one wow that I had with Dheya was career mentoring is not based on the career mentor, it's based on the
True.
mentee.
True.
And we've seen this myth in the industry now and then again. Lots of career mentors ment- mentor their mentees based on their experience.
Right.
That was the
Right.
learning which I have got with Dheya, that it is not based on the mentor, it is based on the mentee.
Mm.
Now,
Correct.
if the mentee wants to take 10 steps, let us understand what are the 10 steps they are interested in and what is the strengths that they have.
Mhm. Correct. Okay.
That is the
Rightly said.
differentiating factor that I've seen in Dheya,
Mhm.
and Dheya backs it up with a database, the resources that they have, the knowledge and the experience that they have, which makes it very seamless and very step by step kind of a progression.
What
Yeah.
advice or suggestion would you like to give to especially today's parents and students about career or how to choose a career path?
All right. So let me give you an example of. So since I've been a trainer, um,
Mm.
most of the time as a trainer we go into a training program.
Yes.
It's mostly corporates. So some of them have the interest to sit there, some of them don't have the interest to sit there,
Correct.
right? So whatever we're learning, they learn it. They're very enthusiastic. They're very motivated to improve.
Mhm.
The most key to their success is application of what they've learned.
True.
Now, the more important thing is the openness to what they've learned.
Correct.
So my advice, having an experience, so a person would not believe in something until unless they have experienced it.
Yeah.
And this is my word. I have experienced the Dheya mentorship. What
Mhm.
my advice would be to the parents would be, have an open mindset.
Correct.
Have a look at what is available. That's one. Number
Mhm.
two would be, every kid today, and every parent will connect with me when they said, "Are during my time, I was never good at this." They are good at from the age of 6,
Correct.
and that's why it is important for us to see it from an open eye and a new outlook.
Right.
Now, until unless we do both of them, every parent has a dream that I should give something to my kids that I have never received.
True.
That becomes very clear for them.
Mhm.
So,
Okay.
one, an open mind to
Yes.
to understand what it is and completely go through what it is. Second, look at the opportunity of what it could do for your child.
True.
And last but not least, third one is application. And let's see it work and then understand how this is going to help my child grow.
I sincerely want to thank you for taking out time for us and sharing your experience and insights with us today. And I thank you all for watching this episode. I'm sure we must have found it insightful, inspirational, and enlightening. Stay tuned and stay safe. Until next time.